Can you remind me that I have to take medicines tomorrow at 10 a.m.?
And just like that, it can manage your whole day. It even can get you a summary of unread emails that you have, and many more. And the best part, you don't need to pay anything to any third-party application. Just you, n8n, and your server. So you get complete privacy. Your data stays with you, just like a personal Jarvis.
You see, there are companies building around this, like Memorae, and they are charging money every month. Hold on, in this video, I'm about to show you how you can create this for free using some free alternatives like Telegram.
Let me just show you a few examples. What are the things you can achieve with it?
I can just text it normally and it will respond me like a basic AI. But here's the interesting part. You can literally give any power to it. Like suppose you wanted to read all your emails and tell you the important part. Pull all the data from your CRM and tell you what are the tasks you need to complete today.
Alright, so we are building this with n8n today. Now you may ask, what is n8n? n8n is basically a workflow automation tool, just like a Zapier. But it's open source and it have more power to it. Now we have used self-hosted n8n for this video, and if you want me to create a full tutorial on this, how to set up a self-hosted n8n, just comment down below.
Okay, let's break it down. This looks complicated, I know, but actually it's pretty simple once you understand the flow. First, Telegram trigger. This is what listens to all your messages from the Telegram bot. Then we're checking it if it's a voice or a text message. If it's a voice, then we need to do a little extra work. If it's a voice, then we're grabbing the audio file from the Telegram, then we're sending it to Google Gemini for transcription. Gemini converts the voice into simple text, and if it's already a text, we're just moving into the next part. This is the brain, the AI agent. This is where we are using Google Chat model to read and understand your message, and then decide what to do next. This memory node actually keeps a track on your conversation history so that the AI can remember the context. After all the AI processing and performing all the tasks the user wants, the agent also crafts a message on the status and send it back to your Telegram bot. Alright, let's build it from the scratch. I'm going to take you step by step so that you can understand each and everything. First, you need Telegram bot. For that, open Telegram, search for bot father. This bot father is basically Telegram's official bot creator. Type /new bot and give it a name and a username. Now the bot father will give you an API token. Copy this, you will need it in n8n. Now open n8n, create a new workflow, and our first node will be Telegram trigger. Add it. Click on credential and paste the token you have got from the bot father. Save it. And now we'll add a if node, which will check if it's a voice or a text message. In the condition, we are checking if the message.voice is empty or not. If it's not empty, that means the user have sent a voice message. And now we need to get the actual audio file. Now we'll have to add a Telegram node, choose operation get a file, and the file ID will be this. Next, we need to add a Google Gemini node, choose resource audio, and the model is up to you. I have chosen Gemini 2.5 Flash. And for that, we'll need a Google API key. Now you'll have to go to ai.google.dev, create a project, generate an API key, and paste the API key in the credential section of n8n. Input type binary, it tells the Gemini to process the audio file and transcribe it. If it's a text, then we just need to format it. For that, set a set node. The value should be json.message.text because this is actually pulling the data from the message. Choose the field name as text. Now the important part, adding the AI agent. Search for AI agent, add that node. Under prompt type, choose define below, and we'll have to write a system code here. The system code should be well defined, what you actually want to achieve with your AI. This is basically the brain, and you will have to teach it how it should react to your messages. You can customize it however you like it. Make it funny, professional, whatever fits your vibe. This is the prompt I have used for this AI. Now, the agent needs a language model. I have added Google Gemini chat model because it's just free. Connect it with your agent. Now you can use the same API credential. You can choose your model and it's good to go. And add a buffer memory and connect it to the agent. And the session key will be this. For each user, it keeps all the conversations separated. Now you can literally add any tools into it. It all depends on what actually you want to achieve with your AI assistant. If you want it to remember all of your stuff for you, you can just add a Google task into it so that it can create tasks for every reminder and send you a notification. Or you can add Gmail as a tool so that it can fetch all your data from your Gmail and give you a proper summary of what are the things you need to remember today. Now for that, you'll need Google's API access. Go to Google Cloud Console, create a new project, enable Google Task API, create OAuth credential, and copy them and save it to your n8n. Now in your Google Task tool, select the operation as create, and for the title, node, and the due date, we'll use AI generated values from the Gemini. Finally, add another Telegram node, and the operation will be send message. The chat ID will be this. This sends the AI response back to that same chat. And it's done. This is actually very easy to make. But once you add the tools that you need every day, it can be very powerful to you and save you a lot of time. Literally, n8n can connect to anything. And your AI assistant can control each and every tools that you connect to it.
You just built your own AI Jarvis. Wasn't that interesting? Now, my n8n workflow file will be in the description. You can just download it and import it like this.
First of all, download the file from the description. Go to your n8n, create a workflow, click on the three dots, then import the file that you just downloaded.
If you run into any issues, just comment down below, I'll help you out. And don't stop it right there. Use your creativity, add more tools into it that you use frequently. And seriously, if you want more n8n workflows that not only saves you time, but also money, let me know what you need and I'll make it for you. Like the video and hit the subscribe if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep building.